Measuring before you buy a hat makes a difference. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Looking into a mirror, find the widest point of your head. Wrap a tailor's soft tape or a piece of string will do around that point. Make sure to place the measure about ½ an inch above your ears and ½ an inch above your eyebrows, where the hat will sit on your head. Don't pull the string too tight. To get the centimeters or inches, place the piece of string alongside a ruler or measuring tape. Refer to the sizing chart and select your size. If the size falls in between two sizes, choose the larger size. Wunderbar! You are all set!